Nurses form the foundation of our healthcare systems and are often the primary point of contact that we have when we have healthcare needs. As the demand for nurses continues at high levels, so do the opportunities for nurses who have earned 4-year degrees, also known as a Bachelor's of Science in Nursing. While a great many nurses fill general roles in doctors' offices, clinics, and hospitals, today we'll take a look at 10 other places you may find highly trained nurses. A flight nurse helps to care for critically ill patients during transport to another facility on a helicopter or plane. As you might expect, it is very intense work, but also quite rewarding. Flight nurses usually need 2 to 3 years of critical care experience and should feel comfortable being in flight and having an unpredictable day. For those who prefer to work during daytime hours in a non-clinical environment, a legal nurse consultant can be a career worth exploring. Legal nurses help lawyers or insurance companies with cases involving accidents, medical malpractice, and workers' compensation. There's really no hands-on patient contact, but legal nurses must be able to skillfully conduct client interviews, review medical records and x-rays, and understand medical terminology. Education beyond the bachelor's degree or certificates in forensics can be helpful. If you remember during the COVID-19 pandemic, there was an unprecedented need for travel nurses. While the demand is not what it was a few years ago, this is still an interesting field for those nurses who like to see various parts of the country and don't have a lot of other responsibilities at home. As a travel nurse, you can choose to accept assignments that will take you to a new area to work in hospitals and clinics with high needs for a few weeks. Many agencies that hire and place travel nurses also provide housing stipends. A bachelor's degree in nursing, along with a couple of years of experience in a hospital setting, is often preferred. Behind the scenes at major theme parks in America are highly trained nurses who see park visitors and staff who are experiencing heat-related illnesses, accidents, or other ailments. Sometimes their role is just to keep a patient stabilized until EMTs arrive on the scene. The benefits of such a role can be lucrative, but these roles are very competitive. It's helpful to have at least 3 years of experience in direct patient care, occupational health, and first aid. Another area of nursing that tends to experience critical shortages is higher education. If you want to share your skills with the next generation of nurses, then this may be the field for you. There is a great deal of flexibility as well as reward in mentoring others. To get into this field, you'll need at least a master's in nursing once you've completed your BSN. As long as there is a demand for healthcare, there is also a demand for nurses who do research, help write textbooks, questions for nursing exams, and articles for journals. Getting into a specialty field such as oncology or pediatrics beyond your BSN is helpful. One of the benefits of this role is that there are typically opportunities to work from home. While there are many, many other out of the ordinary jobs for BSNs, the last one we'll take a look at is the aesthetic nurse. This type of nurse usually works with dermatologists or in spas to provide skincare for patients. This may include fillers, Botox injections, and other skin rejuvenation techniques. Nurses in this field enjoy flexibility, less stress than some other nursing roles, direct patient contact, and reward in helping patients feel better about themselves. If you are an RN interested in completing your BSN online, check out the USG eMajor website in the links below. We support 13 University System of Georgia institutions in offering a pathway of online courses for BSN students. Please reach out to us if you need more information or assistance as you begin your next journey.